Often, but not always, high net worth divorces involve one or more businesses. And not just a solely owned business, but owning little tiny pieces or even big chunks of multiple businesses. And that can get expensive to value. I worked with one case where there were about 8 or 9 different businesses owned by various groupings of family members. And we had to figure out the value of the spouse that was getting divorced interest in each of those businesses. That's a lot. We were able to work out a deal with the other side to use one appraiser to do all of these businesses, and that did save some money, and it certainly saved some time and streamlined things. But that wasn't the only challenge. Each of these businesses had a interest in privacy, which means a lot of confidentiality agreements had to be signed and executed with each of the different owners of each of these different businesses, the valuator, and all the attorneys involved. Confidentiality is really important, especially when you're getting somebody's business records. So, if you have a high net worth divorce, and especially if it involves businesses, one or many, a whole one, whole ones, or pieces of ones, make sure that you're working with a legal team that is comfortable with confidentiality agreements, with business valuators, and with working with lots and lots of CPAs who are going to have to turn over records that make sense to the valuators.